Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today with the September 2021 Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box. I'm going to do an unboxing, and I'm also going to show you my Bright Side block that I've sewn together with this month's pattern, and let's get started. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the box now. This month's box is titled Adventure Awaits. Great title. Cute pattern called Summit that lets you know what fabrics are included in the box. They always send a pattern. And these fabrics are the Belle Isle collection by Minnick & Simpson. I love all of their fabrics. I keep them stored separately in my sewing room actually because I just love working with them and mixing all of their collections. But this is a really great fun group of prints. I love the navy floral with the dots and the same print in a lighter blue. I love this kind of soft pink take on a plaid. And paisleys, they always do beautiful paisleys. I love the stars. And this is that same pink color again with just a really fun, I love the detail of the flags. This is the same print in red. And then they always have beautiful large florals too. And I love this one with the blue background. So 8 fat quarters, just a beautiful, fun bundle. This is something I like to use. I'm super glad they enclosed it in a plastic bag. Mine didn't leak, but just in case, it's always nice. So this is Flatter, and this is the Celebration scent. This is not really a starch, but it is a fabric spray. It does help with taking wrinkles out of your fabrics, and it just gives a lovely scent. It also comes in unscented, so I feel like some of the boxes might have had that unscented in there, and of course the spray cap for it, but I do love the Flatter products. There is also, this is really fun, this is a Creative Grids small bowl cozy template, and this is to make a bowl cover, you know, so when you're have a dish on the table and it might have come right out of the oven, you can make this fabric cozy so that when you pass it around the table, everyone can not burn their hands. So I'm super excited to make this. And I think I'll have this hopefully made in time to show you for my November projects video next month. So I'm excited about that. This is a thread cutter ring, and it has a little razor blade. You can just slip this on your finger, and there's a little razor blade. It's hidden underneath there, but you can cut threads while you're sewing. And so this is a really great item. It also says, I just noticed on the package, as seen on Shark Tank. So that's fun. I didn't know that they were on Shark Tank. Last item in the box is the Bright Side Quilt pattern, and I made my block up already, and this is a really great block. I just followed all the directions. The only thing I did differently was for this middle section, I did use my mini Simple Folded Corners ruler. I feel like it just really helps in assembling this style of block. I'll go ahead and show the pressing. My half square triangles are pressed open. I pressed these pieces to the dark and press the rows away from the center when I sewed them together and press them in towards the 2 rectangles, the light and the dark on that. So just a really fun block. We've got quite a few blocks now in our collection for this Bright Side Quilt Along. Okay, so that's it for the September 2021 Sew Sampler Box. It arrived just a little bit late, so that's why we're sharing it late. But I've linked all of the items in the description below, and you are still able to sign up for Sew Sampler Box. The subscriptions are open, so I'll have a link for that as well. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.